Bila mo. Maafir ba? Pasang na.
Pasang na. Papiyo ako. Piyo mai kara mai ko aw.
Afia mai, lá na iPhone. First of all, I would like to say talofa. Say talofa lang. Tayo whakauwi ngā marwhiawhia ko whainga malang. Thank you, Lord. Now, you have mua pēo ngā awhe me makauska.
Makauska.
O lea lofa maranganga lei. Kung whai o whakauinga mina ko whainga malang. Now, I like to say thank God. Thank you, Lord. Ngā sau le masa. Ai o whakauinga mai marwhiawhia ko whainga malang. Even though, Tavasa, and I don't care, now you're right. It's alright. So mga ole are au ku o ko so dia mai mau ko ngi.
My thinking. It's me is thinking. Joy.
In my thinking. He's thinking. What is the purpose? Point. History. Why are you here? Oh, in my house. In my country.
No.
Malitoa.
Malitoa.
We all like to thank you. Malitoa. The purpose of this trip is to deliver and bring the world.
Look at bro.
Ngā whainga kār ko whainga mara. Ai a ole au ka lia marwhiawhia. It knows how. I'll accept. Tai Galicia. I accept the gospel of God. In my country. In my village. And in my house. people, I love them. I accept them. Wow, que alofa eu coloca. Wow, está caro como lalo. Ela vai ler o cura e a pode curar a eu que aí. You know, I'm a humble guy. Not me, but this guy. I'm a humble and I love my village and my people. That's why I'm here. That's why he's here. That's why. He's somebody talk. He's the man of the man. He is the man. And he's the king of my house and my village and my country. Olha au con liang ngay, liang nó sao bắt. And now I say. I accept. Aku suka iyo. And I agree. This is very important. For a village and my neighbors. Ako mo foi eu nga mo ka Samoa. Eu kala kala le Yesu Kristo. I think it's good. It's good for the Samoans. My Samoan people. To know the Bible and God very well. Yeah. I don't have any mga kwento. No idea who any mga kwento. Finish. What is so? I am very thankful and my wife. For accepting. Now bring the Bible. Kalau feel lain mari tu orang tu supaya. Tu mayo lima tu watch you gitu. Oleh ana kau sanga. Ko e foi e vai ngali. When are you going back? When are you leaving my country and my island and my house?
Emang mulia house.
Biar aku baik. We leave today. Guess your country sucks.
Oh.
Excuse me. What's your name? Show some respect to the king of the king, the man of the man. Yeah. Cái mà ngắt rồi. Sẽ đi quay phà phôi rồi để đi đó. Bà đang đi được. Ai cô mà đang bắt siêu phô mà chén ngốc. You John. John last name. Go back to your country. Leave your wife for me. Give your wife to him.
Wow.